This is a teardown of a ClearOne Interact Pro. I don't know if there's a particular model. Oh yeah, there is. Fix the zoom. It's a 860-154-055. It's weird. It's a thing on my screen of my phone, unrelated to the video. But yeah, let's take a look inside. Don't expect this to be too exciting. Usually these telephone conferencing machines seem to be pretty bland on the inside. We'll probably save these rack ears. They're worthless from a resale standpoint, because, I mean, this is worthless. But I think they might be handy for something else, maybe. They're really long, so if I had a Cisco switch that I needed one for, and the back end stuck out long enough, I could drill new holes for screws or something else. I don't know. This is like a penny's worth of steel, so no point in scrapping it. Not when I have plenty of space. Oh, for some strange reason, they really wanted to screw the lid on. My goodness. I should have grabbed the drill for this. This is an obscene amount of screws. I feel like they could have done this with 6. Like 4 in the corners and 2 in the front. Especially when they have 2 on the sides also that are holding it down. It almost makes me feel like I'm working on an old HP laptop. As far as some of the HP laptops I used to work on, it's like 30 screws just to replace the screen. It's ridiculous. Missed a screw. There's 2 screws, 3 screws. I'm blind apparently. God. There's just too many screws in this thing. They weren't screwing around. Alright. More screws. And I don't have the right size tool to get those out. Alright, I'm just going to do this the destructive way. Wow, that's on there strong. Where is it holding? Holy cow. I thought I could crack it open and shear these off, but I'm going to have to go grab a screwdriver instead. So I'll be back. Alright, I'm back with the right screwdriver for the job. Yeah, what I try to do is normally what I do on the workbench if I'm scrapping stuff, because I don't care about things coming apart nicely. It just needs to come apart fast. What a bizarre cover design. Huh. Alrighty, let's see here. More screws. You get to watch me take them all out. Then we'll take a close look at the board. There's actually a lot more going on here than I was expecting. Looks like there's a bunch of chips for sound processing. And then towards the back, you see all the little round capacitors and stuff. I'm guessing there's some amplification, or this might be preamps for the microphones, depending on what kind of microphones this uses. It looks like the black connectors would be the line out, the green is line in, and the orange is mic/line in. So depending on where those traces are going, it looks like everything's coming from mic line in. So these might be preamps for the microphones. Almost there. One thing that's kind of cool about this unit is, from the looks of it, it's basically just a handful of components. Your main PCB, your top cover, your chassis, and then front trim piece. I don't think there was too much assembly, although I swear they went overboard on the screws. On the inside, might be a little bit more justifiable. I still feel like this is way too much, considering I've seen computer motherboards held down with less screws than this. And they're not too much smaller than this board is. Alright, did we get all the screws? No, we did not. It's like 20 screws holding this thing together. This would have been a good one to use the drill on, to be honest. We're still stuck on something. There we go. Not sure if it's stuck on the front USB port or the light guide. Man, this board weighs nothing. And there's absolutely nothing on the bottom other than some through-hole stuff sticking through. Let's look here. Yeah, so I think these are also nicely labeled. I think these are probably preamps for the line-in stuff. First, we'd have to look up those chips. Especially easier if I hit them the right way up. This is all stuff for phone line. I would assume that's a transformer there. And then I'd almost speculate that these, well, I was going to say they might be opto isolators, but I don't know if they come in a 6-pin configuration like that. It's this whole corner of the board, I don't even think is a multi-layer. It might be just single layer on each side. Yeah, I'm shining some light through it right now, just holding up the ceiling. And basically, whatever traces you see on the top and bottom is everything that's going on. So I think this might be some opto isolators to isolate the rest of the board from the phone line. Yeah, it looks like we got the brains of the board. Cold Fire WCF 5272 VM66. Memory chip there. It looks like Micron Technologies. And then there's some flash. It does have a clock battery, which is soldered in, something that would eventually go bad. Although I think with this teleconferencing equipment, it goes out of date faster than the battery probably would go bad. Got an Altera Cyclone. Not sure what that's doing. It looks like it's connecting to all these, I'm assuming are digital sound processing chips. Especially when the part number starts with DSP. I wonder if maybe this is being used as a interface between the processor to control all these. Because you can see a lot of the traces are going to here. And then, I'm not sure where these traces are going. They might be going through to the bottom. All sorts of stuff going on. But, yep, we got 10 of those. So I wonder if each one of those is handling one channel. Pretty fun though. It's kind of cool how everything on the board is divided out into its own little modules and spaced. You can kind of see the delineation of each section. kind of neat. It's not just a big glob of stuff. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully that was interesting. It's a little fancier than I was expecting to see in the inside. So thanks for watching.